Hi everyone, in today's video we are talking SLGs or small pouches, cosmetic cases, toiletry bags, and I've got a bunch of mine out here for some quick comparisons. In this video I'm going to jam pack a lot of information. I'm going to show you what I have, I will talk through pros and cons, I will also be unboxing some new goodies for the first time, and I have a giveaway, the final giveaway of 2024. If by the way you are watching this in 2025, I wish you a happy new year. I hope you're all off to a great start, and I hope that there will be lots of abundant, unexpected blessings in your life and in your family's lives this new year. All right, so let's get started. So here I have comparisons with the designer LV mini pochette with the collaboration piece that I've been making with Dress Up Your Purse. Now, Dress Up Your Purse is a small business, and I have been supporting them for years now, first as a customer, now as a partner, and we do collaborations. So this one here is a great piece, but unfortunately the price has gone up so much that it's hard for me to recommend this to anyone anymore. I used to recommend it a lot, but with the price today, I feel like either you want to find a good condition one pre-loved on the secondhand market, or if you're really going to splurge on the retail price, just analyze how much you will use this and if you will get the cost per wear out of it. If you're going to use it every day, it may still be worth it. At the moment, I have all of my lippies in here. So I've got 6 lip glosses or lip sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can fit quite a bit in there and they all stand up quite nicely. This has the pop of cherry red because it is the Dami Ibn print. Of course, you can get all the other prints. There's also the Christmas animations, really cute, and the special edition ones as well. But if you wanted a leather version because for some reason you prefer the feel and touch of leather over canvas, then you can also look at Dress Up Your Purse. I'll link all of these items down below in my description box. I'm not trying to push Dress Up Your Purse. I obviously am a big fan, but I also know that many of you are looking for more affordable quality pieces that don't necessarily have the designer hype and the designer sticker price. So this is what the original mini pochettes look like, but now they've been upgraded, so I'm going to show you a new one, meaning that the inside is now all beautiful plush micro suede, but you can see it's got a zipper compartment and another little open pocket here. And so it's got a little bit more going on than the LV version. In terms of sizing, it is very similar, just a smidge bigger and probably a little bit thicker because it is leather versus canvas. And the one thing that was changed also was this little chain here is completely removable on both ends on the Dress Up Your Purse version. Whereas on the LV, if you're familiar, you can only take it off on one end here. You can see on this side there is that clasp, and the other side is connected so it does not come off. So it's a little less versatile in terms of those options. So here I've got a hand lotion from L'Occitane, just so you can see size reference. I also have my Ambery Saffron little travel size perfume from the Discovery set that I got from Dossier. Dossier happens to be the sponsor of this video, and I wanted to share with you. It is a New York City based perfume fragrance brand that I have been using for a few years now. All of their fragrances are made in Grasse, France, which is like the epicenter of perfumeries, and they use non-toxic, cruelty-free formulas for all of their fragrances. Now, they really became quite known for their designer-inspired impressions. So the Ambery Saffron is very much like the Baccarat Rouge 540, which happens to be my signature scent, and this is just a fraction of the price without the marketing hype and without the markup in price. So this is a great size. You can pop it into your mini pochette like so. You can stand it up or you can lay it down, but it's a good size. The Discovery set has so many different scents that you can try out if you're not sure. There's also a quiz online if you want to see what scents really work for you. These two are the full-size bottles that I've really been enjoying. This one here is Citrus Matcha, smells so good. This is inspired by Le Labo, so I'll put a comparison here of the prices, but also the scent is really fresh and so beautiful, and it's long-lasting. And then this is an original fragrance by Dossier. It's called Ginger and Grapefruit Zing, and it smells just like it sounds, very fresh and refreshing. So definitely check out Dossier if you've not been on their website. I will link their information down below. So I feel like we're talking value for money, right? Whether it be Dossier fragrances or SLGs. This right here is the Chanel Mini O Case. It's this flat pouch and it's quite nice. I use this a lot until I got my Dress Up Your Purse Mini M case. So it's pretty much identical in size. I am flying out to the airport in a couple of hours, and I've got some cash and cards in here. So I'm using this as a wallet. For those of you who are curious about this kind of pouch, it's really great as a catch-all, but also can double as a wallet. So I say that these are really practical. I feel like they're more practical perhaps than the mini pochettes because they're slim and they don't take up a lot of space even in the smallest bags that you might be carrying. So I highly recommend you check out the mini M case from Dress Up Your Purse. As always, there's a 15% off promo code on your order that you can use. It's Hello Catwalk. And this way you can save extra money. Also, here is my mini kirigami pouch. I had the full set, but I've since let go of the medium and the large because I just use this as a little wallet. When I'm traveling, I prefer to use a zipper, but when I'm home, I'll use this little one with cards and cash right here. There's also a Dress Up Your Purse version if you're interested, and it is in leather. I don't want to sound repetitive, but real quickly, same thing with the LV key pouch. This is my go-to. I use it daily with my home keys and my library card attached, and this is pretty much the same again in leather. It's the same design. It's got the clasp here so you could put your keys on it, and that's what it looks like. So giving you some options. Now this is a vachetta leather piece that I got from Dress Up Your Purse. It is the perfect size for passports. I've got 4 passports for my family since we're heading to the airport very soon. And this is the medium size. I feel like it's always sold out, but if it is available at the moment, I will link it down below. Now in terms of cosmetic cases, this one here I've had for quite a while now. This is the PM size, the small size of the cosmetic case from LV. It's got the monogram all one piece all the way around, and then it has the little vachetta diamonds. And the inside is wipeable interior. It is empty at the moment. I've got some smudges in here, but it's wipeable. It's empty at the moment because as much as I love this silhouette and it has that sort of retro vintage vibe, it's very pretty. Because of the tapered top here, it doesn't fit all that much. So I've actually been using this old holiday set or a holiday pouch from Chanel. I think it's like 2 or 3 years old. And I've got my stuff in here. And I'm going to be leaving this home, but as I pack my suitcase, I've got all my little travel size necessities, lotions, everything in here. This is my MZ Wallace Accordion style. I've got so much in here at the moment because I'm carrying my contact solution, sunblock, micellar water, everything. But it holds so much, and I absolutely adore this for travel. So when it comes to a travel cosmetic or toiletry pouch, this would be my #1 pick. It's nylon, it's very low maintenance. It has sold out repeatedly, but whenever it comes back in stock, I try to let you know. I will link this below. It comes in multiple colors now. So going back to this shape, this is also from an old holiday set from Dior. This happens to be like a royal blue or navy velvet, and it's got the CD for Christian Dior embossed. Double zipper. I think this year it's a raffia material. So this is just my backup makeup if I have extras. And I usually leave this at home, but these types are going to be a little bit tricky because the top clearly doesn't have as much space as the bottom, but it is quite pretty, right? So if you have very minimal makeup, I think this is great. If you tend to have more makeup, more products, you're going to find this is quite limiting and it might be frustrating for you. Even the GM size, the large size of this one, I actually bought it and returned it immediately. That was a few years ago because on the outside, the GM size looks much bigger, but it doesn't actually fit as much. So keep that in mind. This right here is the old 26 size toiletry pouch. This is great for travel, especially if you're going to the beach. I usually stand up, sunblock, sunglasses, various things, and just carry it as a clutch. And I know that LV has since updated this, and it's got a chain attached and different inside and all that, but this is a great size. It's also really nicely packable. But again, I usually reserve this for if I'm going to the beach or poolside because it's kind of specific, whereas I use some of the other pouches for a daily basis. Now, if you're wondering what this is probably my oldest case or cosmetic case. It is also my biggest. It is from Tory Burch. It is quite old, maybe over 10 years old. It is this coated fabric, almost like plasticky, and it's really roomy, and it's got the zipper, and I have all this stuff in here that I hardly ever use, but again, it's like my backup extra cosmetics or gifts that I received or special occasion makeup brushes, and it's really big, and I love how it sits open like this. And in the past, many of you have asked me about this, but again, this is very old, no longer available. Nothing like this has come out again since I got this. I wish Tory Burch would bring something like this back, but this actually inspired a new collaboration with Dress Up Your Purse, so let me show you. I am very excited. This has been in the works for a while, and we've kept it kind of under wraps until now, and this is a true unboxing, although of course I have seen multiple samples before this final production run. Ta-da! This right here is the new toiletry case that Melody and I worked on for our newest collaboration, and it is canvas. I know so many of you have been requesting canvas pieces, and so far we've been focused on leather. But this right here has a double zipper. This is what it looks like on the side. It's got the diamond vachetta, so you can see where the inspiration is coming from. It's a mix of some of the pouches that I already own, and we made this magnetic, so it opens up like so. And then the inside looks like this. And here is the inside. It is all wipeable interior here. It's got one pretty roomy pocket. It says on the pocket HCC and Melody Cecile. So I don't know if you can see that. And then there's a zippered compartment. You can put some items in here like Q-tips or cotton pads or anything you want to keep separate from your makeup. And look how roomy that is. And I love again how, like my old Tory Burch one, it sits open like this, and then you also have the cinched look that just makes it look so polished. And I also know that LV came out with something that looks very similar to this, and it's quite gorgeous, and I was tempted to buy it when it first released, but then I learned that the sides don't open, so that would mean you'd have to get in like this, which is a kind of a tight opening with the zipper kind of scratching against the back of your hand. So once again, when I collab with Dress Up Your Purse, we are drumming up new ideas on how to improve existing products or offer similar products at better prices, and this just sort of checks all those boxes. So this is what it looks like. The other one, the difference is we wanted to give you another option. Ta-da! The pink interior. Look at that. Isn't that such a happy pink color? So again, same open pocket on one side, zippered compartment on the other, and it just pops. So if you want the classic beige canvas, you can choose that. If you want the pop of pink, then you can choose this one. The hardware is going to be shiny gold, beautiful. I have never had issues with any of the hardware, whether it be my collaboration pieces or other Dress Up Your Purse products that I've purchased on my own. Always beautiful, high quality hardware. And this is going to be pretty substantial, and it's not flimsy. As you can see, it's quite thick because it's double layered. This is going to be water resistant. It's going to be great for travel. It's going to be great for home, even in the bathroom or on your vanity. If water gets splashed on it, you don't have to worry because it's canvas. And then it cinches again like this. I love the cinch. I think it's so pretty. This is the shape and silhouette that I was going for. Melody made it happen. And then just the way it opens when you uncinch it, and it becomes like this big oversized case. And it stands up so that you can see all of your items very easily and you don't have to rummage, right? That's what it looks like side by side. So it's a really nice, substantial piece. It's going to be under $200. I don't know if it will launch by the time this video goes live. If not, it will launch very soon, but I'll put the links down below. And also, as a big thank you, final thank you of 2024, wanted to share a new piece here that I've talked about before, but I haven't had a chance to actually reveal. And we're doing a giveaway with one of these. This is also from my collab with Dress Up Your Purse, and it is the new gorgeous burgundy mini pochette. Give you a close-up. Gold hardware. So pretty. Same color as the larger pochette crossbody, which has since sold out. Here is the chain. And this is what I mean about the new updated interior. This happened earlier this year. It is a beautiful plush micro suede, so soft to the touch. And then it's got a little zippered compartment as well. So this is great for just your little bits and bobs. And if you happen to have a really small phone or a foldable phone, then it does actually fit in this mini pochette. I happen to have quite a large iPhone, so it's not going to fit, but I do carry mine in the larger pochette crossbody bag, but this is what it looks like. So I have this one, but I also have a brand new one, which I will keep in here as a giveaway to one of you for being here and also for following me on Instagram. Those of you who have been following me on my backup account because I lost my first Instagram. Big bummer. I really appreciate you following me on my new Instagram as well. So here it is. And so I'm going to put all the giveaway rules down below in my description box. It'll be really simple how to enter, and we will announce the winner in January when I'm back from my trip. I really appreciate each and every one of you for being here and for being a part of the Hello Catwalk City community. I thank you for this year of videos that you've been watching and commenting on and liking and sharing and just engaging with me. I really, really appreciate that. And I want to say thank you again to today's video sponsor, Dossier. Plop that right in there. Perfecto. And I hope that one of you will be very happy winning this mini pochette in the new burgundy color. And please let me know what you think about this new toiletry pouch as well from my collaboration. You are the ones who make my collaborations a possibility, and I'm just so grateful because not only do I get to make video content for you guys, but I also get to co-design some new products, and it has just been such a wonderfully fun journey. So thank you so much for everything. I look forward to creating more videos for you all in 2025. Wishing you all the best in the new year, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.